Just got the Vantage Optics AC Reservoir Repair Kit. Oh, love that keychain. This is to fix the reservoir issue that is under the AC unit and the heater core that has to be completely removed. This is the new reservoir that will replace the reservoir that may be leaking. It's got a full set of instructions. We're going to go ahead and do the install on the Ford E350. This is everything that comes in the kit. Full set of instructions. Sticker keychain, nut. And that nut is to hold the reservoir under the passenger footwell. Vantage Optics. So here on the passenger side, this grommet, you got to pull it out. They're going to feed the larger diameter tube, which is right here. You're going to feed this in that hole. And that should come out on the engine firewall right behind the battery. Just like that. All right, so I just kept feeding it up and it found its way up into the engine compartment. So I just got to keep pushing it. I don't know how, but it just ended up finding its way up into the engine bay. I'll show you here in just a little bit. So I still have a lot of slack here. So I need to push all of that in so I can put the reservoir right about there. There's that bolt sticking out. And the kit comes with a bolt to mount the reservoir right there. So you just got to keep feeding it because it already came out of the engine compartment. There it is. I just kept feeding it up and it came out right behind this hose here. So I just kept feeding it. Fed the whole line and it came out right here. And now it's going to get connected to this. This is the vacuum line that goes to, I think, the reservoir. So I'm going to cut it here just a little bit and connect it there. But yeah, you just keep feeding it. And it just came out right here as I kept feeding it up from underneath the footwell on the passenger side. All right, so I got the reservoir. I still need to connect this line here to this black line here, which I'll do here in just a little bit. But there's a reservoir right there. And we're just gonna mount it right here. There. There it is. Oh. And there's the reservoir installed on the footwell. Now let's finish connecting it up. There we go. I'm gonna give it a little bit more than I need. Right about there. Then we just connect the new vacuum line to the new reservoir. Right there. And this one we'll just tuck it in under there. Get it out of the way. So when you cut this line from the white and the black here, this is the cut line that goes to that. You take the other hose from the reservoir from Vantage Optics. See, this is the new reservoir. This hose here now connects to this hose here. There's the connection there. I just tucked it in out of the way. So that now will bypass your stock Ford reservoir, and it should keep from going into defrost mode when you accelerate or if you're going up a hill. Let's see how it does.
Yeah, this is a pretty steep hill.
So here we go, testing out on a steep hill. So far, air conditioner has not turned or reverted to defrost. This hill would always shut it off. So this is going to be nice, not having that air conditioner shut off or go to defrost mode.
It did not shut off.
Love
Yeah.
it.
So,
Last hill test. So far, this is the third steep hill that we've hit up. The Vantage Optics AC external reservoir fixed it. Super happy. Super easy install too.